30 easy and best out of waste ideas for kids 2023. Is your kid spending too much time on mobile phone? But if you want to encourage your kids to be creative and resourceful with the waste materials from home, that can make your kids do some crafts and have some fun. Here are some 30 innovative best out of waste ideas for your kids. First is sock puppets. You can make sock puppets with just socks, glue, googly eyes, yarn hairs. Second is bottle planter. Some attractive plants with plastic bottles, utility knife, paint brush, and a small plant you can make bottle planter. Third is paper cup baskets. You have lots of paper waste, then try cup basket with just paintbrush, glue, acrylic colors, scissors, pencil, paper cups. Fourth is popsicle pen stand. Love ice cream but got popsicle sticks too? Then try a popsicle stand, it comes handy as a pen holder. Fifth is peanut pod frame. Got a project in a school to craft? Then try this peanut pod frame. Sixth is plastic spoon vase. It looks so attractive, and handmade vase just from the plastic spoons with some paint and glue. Seventh is bottle flowers. We have empty plastic bottles, right? But the bottles have flower shaped. Just paint them and get a beautiful craft for kids. Eighth is paper plate masks. Just so adorable paper plate mask can be with just little paint on it, and have lots of creativity for your birthday masks. Ninth is shoebox birdhouse. With just shoebox and color paper, glue, a cute birdhouse can be made. 10th is egg carton wreath. Never knew an egg carton can turn into this beautiful art with just little touch of paint, glue and cardboard. 11. Plate crabs. Want to decorate your water tank from outside? Try this plate crab. 12th is jar lanterns. You have glass jars at home without cover. Then put some candles or fairy lights and you have an adorable home decor ready. 13th is CD coasters. You love painting? Or want to try something? Then use CD coasters and kids can draw anything on it. 14th is tire planters. Tire planters look so attractive with cute flower plants and paint on tires. 15th is popsicle bookmarks. Don't have a bookmark at home? But the popsicles are. Make best bookmark using popsicle sticks. 16th is bottle cap chimes. Paint all the caps in your desired colors. And just with thin ropes, it turns into a nice wind chime. 17th is soap bubble blower. Best handy craft to make a kid busy with just some shampoo. 18th is bangle stand. You found a cardboard pipe. Then try a bangle stand from it. 19th is phone charging hanger. We do have lots of baby shampoo, right? Just a little craft and it can convert into a holder. 20th is newspaper wallets. War at home? Get this to kids to make a pretty newspaper wallets for them. 21st is coconut bowls. With just a sandpaper, coconut shell can be turned into a coconut bowl. 22nd is sweet box gift tray. You have a sweet box at home. Cover it with craft glasses, beads, and laces. 23rd is spinning toys with a CD. Easy to make and lots of fun to play. Try this CD spinning toy. 24th is a tennis ball holder. Just by cutting the top of the ball and converting it into a nice key holder. 25. Piggy bank. With a plastic bottle and a paint. Craft your own piggy bank at home. 26th is newspaper garland decoration. Want to decorate your room with some stars and newspaper? Try this garland decoration. 27th is button ornaments. Collecting lots of buttons with a thread can make a cute ornament. 28th is dollhouse chairs from Matchbox. It's so easy to make a Matchbox dollhouse chair with just color paper and Matchbox. 29th is earthen pot planters. If you broke your Metka, then use some acrylic or spray paints and make a cute earthen pot planters. 30th is shoebox maze. Kids can spend their time with some clay and a big shoebox by creating a maze.